So we're here today talking about the first two things our athletes do for training. The first thing when a client comes in to train with us at SCP is they foam roll. So what Ashley's going to do is foam roll her quads, and this takes about 3 minutes. We're going to go quads. Usually we work the back, but we don't work more than 3 areas because we don't want to be wasting a lot of time. The other thing we might do is trigger point therapy using a baseball, and Ashley's going to demonstrate trigger pointing her hip flexor. So the purpose of the foam rolling or trigger point is to loosen up the body generally, to get some blood going to the areas of the muscle that we're going to work. The second thing that our clients and athletes do is called pillar prep or pillar preparation. Now this is designed to turn on the core muscles that we're going to be working. We're going to be demonstrating 2 exercises today, the glute bridge and a shoulder tap. Now it's important to know these aren't the only pillar prep exercises, but these are 2 quick ones that we do for our athletes. So Ashley's going to demonstrate a glute bridge. Pull one knee into the chest, other foot in the ground, and just drive up with your left leg. So this is turning the glute muscles on. After we do a set of these, she's going to do some shoulder taps. Strong core, tapping one hand to the opposite shoulder, trying not to rotate the body too much.